In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find page ID in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to confidently grab the ID you need for integrations, automations, or support requests. Start by opening the database page you're interested in. You can do this from your sidebar, from search, or by clicking through any link that takes you directly to that database. Make sure you're viewing the database page itself in full, not just a preview or a small embed. If you're in the desktop app, it's fine to proceed there. If you're in a web browser, you'll see the full address in the URL bar, which is perfect for the next part. With the database page open, take a look at the link at the top. That URL contains the page ID. Notion structures page links so that the page title appears first, followed by a long block of letters and numbers at the end. That long alphanumeric string is your page ID. It's typically 32 characters long. Sometimes you'll see it shown with dashes breaking it into chunks. Other times it appears as one continuous string. Both represent the same ID, and many tools will accept either version. If a tool expects the ID without dashes, you can simply remove the hyphens before pasting. Here are a few quick cues to help you identify the deno cleanly. Focus on the very end of the URL. The page ID is the final segment after the last hyphen in the link. If you notice any characters like a question mark after that long string, stop before the question mark. Anything after it is just extra parameters, not part of the ID. If the title of your page contains hyphens, don't worry. The ID is still the very last hyphen separated piece. When in doubt, select the last long block of letters and numbers and copy that. If you're on mobile and don't see the full URL in an address bar, use the option to copy the page link. Then paste it anywhere you can read it back, like a Notes app, and extract the final block from there. Alternatively, open the same page in a browser to reveal the full address. A quick recap: open the database page you need, then read the URL and copy the alphanumeric block at the very end. That's your Notion page ID. Keep it handy and only share it where necessary. The ID alone doesn't grant access, but it's good practice to avoid sharing full links with extra parameters. That's all you need to find a page ID in Notion. Thanks for watching and happy building.